Here's a video for anybody that trades Asia. So basically what you're looking for with this is a move like this, that cup shape, and you're looking for it to tap in some areas of liquidity. This area here, you've got this black line, which is an implied fair value gap, just another imbalance basically. And you're looking for tops like this. Ideally, this would have been a top here. But so you're looking for the price to come down like this, come down, come back up, and then catch this area here, catch this area here. And that's what these signals generate here. So great opportunity there. And then you can see smaller versions of it down here. And then price bounces back up, takes this area liquidity here, does the same thing here but no signal, does the same thing here, get a signal. So lots of good opportunities there. Here's UCAD. This one is still developing, could run down, but same thing, taps into an area of liquidity up here and can expect to see a rollover. There's gold, same thing here. You got like a flat here, orders here. You got a little bit of a shape here. Got to move down there. Could take that and move down here. So same thing, just a little bit different. Here's UCHEF, same thing. Got areas of liquidity up here where people have their orders. Move down, move up, cup shape, bounce up, come back down. So another signal. Here's all the ones on Bitcoin, like we went over. More signals on Bitcoin, more gold, Euro USD. Yeah, so cup shape formation. This one's kind of got a weird shape like this, a little bit harder to catch because there's nothing in this area really, but it does find support. Little tiny cup shape formation, but not a great signal. I wouldn't have taken that one. There's just not very much vertical movement. This one's really good here on the Nikkei. So yeah, we've got that cup shape formation like this. We've got orders down here, just these little tiny bumps. You've got this implied fair value gap. You've got all your higher time frame moving average lines, all condensing, bottlenecking. Trying to find support here 3 times. Find support with another big green candle, small green candle. Then you get that really big candle there for your ATR candle, average true range candle. Lots of volume in that one. Comes back up, comes back down to retest. Could even got another entry there if you were that confident in it. But really good signal there. Really good signal there that comes out. Yeah, my buddy, he made these, he's a 5-second trader. He made this indicator and it works really good to catch that market maker close model, those big cup shape moves. So yeah, that's all these moves here that I'm showing you. Another UCHEF, UJ. What happened here on UJ? Oh, that was from the other day. But that's pretty much how to trade Asia. Those are the hours that I trade. Hope you keep an eye on it. Another cup shape formation. Wants to tap into this. Got those high volume pink candles. So anyhow, end the video there, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.